The oval circle cutter manufactured in the USA by Fletcher is used for cutting mountboard either in circles or ovals. To show how the cutter works, we're making a 16 by 20 cm mountboard oval. We start by drawing two perpendicular lines in the center of the sheet. The measurements of the hole are 16 by 20 centimeters. We put another sheet of carton under the mountboard. We now set the cutter's measurements. We start by fixing the measurement of the shortest side, i.e. 16 centimeters. We fix the measurement of 16 centimeters in the ruler by screwing the blocking bolt. Now the difference between the short side and the long side need to be set, i.e. 20 minus 16, which is 4 centimeters. Unscrew the knob which is found above the cutter. Then remove the small millimeter scale which is found inside the cutter and fix the measurement to 4 centimeters by rescrewing the knob. For this cutter, the maximum distance possible between the long side and the short side is of 8 centimeters. Now the cutter has to be fixed to the mountboard in a way that the 4 cardinal points, indicated in the cutter by a white line, coincide exactly with the perpendicular lines which we drew on the mountboard. The cutter is provided with 4 sharp tips which are needed to fix it to the mountboard. The cutter has to be pressed downwards so that the 4 tips penetrate the carton. We now insert the blade in the cutter. This is a wheel which is needed to draw a guiding groove for the cut. To start, it's advisable to position the cutting board in the area where the oval's curve isn't accentuated. The wheel should start from the inside of the oval. The first time going round has to be done without cutting the carton with the blade. It's sufficient to leave a groove with the wheel. We now lower slightly the level which regulates the depth of the blade and start to cut the carton. After having gone round the first time, we lower further the depth of the blade and go around a second time. At the end, we lower again the depth of the blade so that it cuts the carton completely and go round a third time. At this point, the oval hole is complete. We're now doing a round mountboard with a 20 cm diameter. Like we did for the oval mountboards, we draw 2 perpendicular lines in the center of the sheet. We then set the measurement of the diameter to 20 centimeters and fix the measurement. The cutter allows a maximum diameter of 57 centimeters and a minimum diameter of 8 centimeters. For the round mountboards, the small millimeter scale which is inside the cutter has to be fixed at 0. We can now proceed to cut in the same way as we have seen earlier. You will find the oval circle mount cutter and the blades in the catalogue of Rinaldin and on the website www.rinaldin.com